Who wouldn't want their Amazon Web Services solution to be well architected? We all want to be a well-architected implementer when it comes to Amazon Web Services. The challenge has been, though, the well-architected PDF that Amazon Web Services makes freely available to us is very extensive. There's lots of different what we call pillars for a well-architected solution, and it can be really tough to make sure you're implementing all of that. Well, Amazon thought of this for us, and if you go to services now, there's a brand new tool called the Well Architected Tool. So if I start searching on Well Architected, we'll be brought to the AWS Well Architected Tool, and you can see that I started one just to give you an idea of how powerful this is going to be. I created one called Website, and notice I've gone through and answered all their queries, and based on that, there's 44 items they think I'm at high risk for as far as not being well architected, 2 medium risks, and then no improvement statuses yet because I haven't gone in and done anything. But this is a very awesome tool to keep us tracking towards the well-architected infrastructures that we all would want. So to get started with this, notice you would go in and define a workload. So I'll just call this one just test, and then you have to provide a brief description, and I will just put in anything there to get us past that field, and then choose an industry type, and then you would choose an industry category, and then say whether you're in production or pre-production. We would choose the region that we're in. I'll choose US East 1, and then you could even provide account IDs and then define your workload. And notice we have a new test workload inside of this well-architected tool. And then we could begin the initial review with the Start Review button. Now, definitely, give yourself some time for this. This may take as long as an hour because you're going to go through and you're going to be answering queries from them on operational excellence. That's one of our pillars. Then the pillar for security, reliability, performance efficiency, and cost optimization. So notice you've got the 5 pillars, and inside there you're going to have about 9 to 12 queries that you want to answer. And you don't want to do this just haphazardly and too quickly. So how do you control human access is the question. And we would define human access requirements. Yeah, I did that. Grant least privilege. Yep, I'm doing that. Grant access through roles or federation. So you're going to go through and answer these questions honestly about your architecture. And then they'll analyze all this data that you've given them, and they'll help organize where you are most at risk. You can then go up. Let me go back to the well-architected tool and go back to my dashboard. You can then go to your completed workload review and start doing things like saving milestones and saving your progress and even saving improvement plans that you're going to do in order to improve the architecture based on that wonderful, well-architected framework that we get from Amazon Web Services. So I really wanted to show you this because it is a brand new tool from Amazon Web Services, and it's one that I'm really pretty excited about. Thanks so much for watching.